Welcome. If you're missing important messages on Telegram, especially from private chats, this quick update will help you fix that. Today, I'll show you how to always display pop-up notifications for private chats so you never overlook a message again. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, look for the menu icon. Depending on your device, this could be the three horizontal lines in the top corner or your profile icon. Tap on it to open the menu. Next, go to Settings. This is where you can control how Telegram behaves, including notifications. Inside Settings, find and tap on Notifications and Sounds. This section manages all alerts, tones, and pop-up settings for your chats. Now tap on Private Chats. This is important because we're specifically adjusting how Telegram notifies you about one-on-one conversations. Scroll a bit until you see the option called Pop-up Notification. Tap on it to open the available choices. You'll see several options here, but the one you want is Always Show. Select that option and you're done. From now on, every time you receive a message in a private chat, a pop-up notification will appear on your screen, even if your phone is locked or you're using another app. This makes it much easier to stay on top of conversations without constantly checking Telegram. If you've been missing messages or just want faster access to your chats, this small change can make a big difference. Give it a try and see how much more responsive your messaging experience becomes.